Hello everyone and welcome to the class of economics. So students, today we will continue with same chapter 3rd. Now as I said, today we will start with the numericals. There are some numerical solutions for this particular chapter, that is national income and related aggregates. Now as you can see, we have two terms. We can imagine that we have two terms, that is domestic income, which we can call as net domestic product at factor cost, and we have national income, that is net national product at factor cost. Now this particular chart which I have provided you is just to that you can see, and it will be easy for you to find out the numerical or find out or to calculate the solutions related to national income. Now what we notice here is, when we have domestic income, that is if in a particular numerical, if in particular question it is given that is NDP at factor cost, or which we can call as domestic income, when we add it with depreciation, that means if there is a certain amount, okay, you will get questions like that there are certain amount or there are certain terms which must be given, and you will be told to calculate either subsidies, depreciation, either NDP at factor cost, either national income, whatever, okay. So these are the formulas which you can make it in notice, that is NDP at factor cost. If you are going to add depreciation, you will get gross domestic product at factor cost, okay. And when you add net indirect taxes, okay, and how we will get net indirect tax, that is indirect tax minus subsidies, then you will get GDP at market price. When you subtract depreciation in GDP at market price, you will get NDP at market price. Then after adding net factor income from abroad and deducting net indirect tax, you will get national income, that is net national product at factor cost. Again in the same way, if in this we will add depreciation, you will get gross national product at factor cost. If you will add net indirect tax, you will get gross national product at market price. If you will deduct depreciation in it, you will get net national product at market price. If you deduct both, that is net indirect tax and net factor income from abroad, you will get domestic income, that is NDP at factor cost, okay. So this was the formula, you make it in notice. Now after that, we try to calculate these questions which are given already in your books. So first question is, when you need to told to calculate GNP, that is gross national product at factor cost. This is the question, and these are the things which are given in the questions, particulars and in crores. You can see that NDP, net domestic product at market price, which is given as 80,000, net factor income from abroad minus 200, depreciation 4,950, subsidies 1,770, indirect tax it is 10,600, and you need to calculate gross national product at factor cost. So this will be the formula to calculate gross national product at factor cost, that is NDP at market price plus depreciation plus net factor income from abroad and minus net indirect tax. When you tries to put up all these value in these particular terms, what you will get is GNP at factor cost, that is 84,950 minus 200 minus 8,830, and what is the answer, that is 75,920. So you can calculate rest of the other questions like this. Say for example, if you are told to calculate the domestic income, when you are told to calculate the domestic income here is NDP at factor cost. So this is the formula, that is gross national product at market price minus depreciation minus net factor income from abroad and minus net indirect taxes. Now everything is given here, dear students. So you can calculate like this and you will get the answer 55,915. Now third question, when you are told to calculate national income, that is net national product at factor cost. Now this is the formula for calculating net national product at factor cost, that is GDP at market price minus depreciation plus net factor income from abroad and minus net indirect tax. In case if net indirect tax is not given, okay, so what you need to do is indirect tax minus subsidies, you can calculate net indirect taxes. Now in this particular question, now you can see that net indirect tax is not given. Indirect tax is given as 300, subsidy is given as 60. So what you can do is, you can subtract net indirect tax minus subsidy and you can get net indirect taxes. That is, it is, and other values are also given. Now here you can see depreciation plus net factor income from abroad minus net indirect tax, and what you did in net indirect tax, that is 300 minus 60, and you will get the answer of domestic income as 4,440, that is national income. Now calculate GDP at market price. This is one more question which you get, and see dear student, national income which is all given here 6,700, depreciation is given as 180, factor income from abroad is given as 100. Now here net factor income from abroad is not given. Okay, in the example you can see, in the formulas you can see that we have deducted net factor income from abroad. In case this net factor income from abroad directly is not given, now what is given? Factor income from abroad and factor income to abroad. Now what you can do is here is you can deduct factor income from abroad to factor income to abroad, that is 100 minus 150, which you can see here in place of net factor income from abroad when directly it is not given. What is given is factor income from abroad, factor income to abroad. When you deduct both, that is 100 minus 150, you will get the net factor income from abroad. So this could be also done. In case of consumption of fixed capital, okay, this is also one of the part of depreciation, other name of depreciation. Okay. Now next question is calculating domestic income. Now when you need to calculate domestic income, that is NDP at factor cost, the formula is GNP at factor cost minus depreciation minus net factor income from abroad, and we can see that here GNP at factor cost according to the formula is given, depreciation, now in case of depreciation it is also given. Now you need to calculate net factor income from abroad. Why? Because directly it is not given, factor income from abroad and factor income to abroad which is given. Now according to this you can calculate here the formula and apply the formula, and you can get the answer, that is 2,580. Now next question is where you need to calculate domestic income as well as national income. Now you need to calculate both the things. Okay, in case everything is provided here like particulars in which GDP at market price, indirect tax is given, factor income from abroad, depreciation, factor income to abroad, and subsidies is given. Now to find out first the domestic income, NDP at factor cost, the formula says is GDP at market price minus depreciation minus net indirect taxes. So as we can see, net indirect tax is not given, but indirect tax and subsidy is given. We can deduct or we can subtract this, and we can get the NDP at factor cost as 65,850 after applying this formula. Now second question is they have asked is of national income, that is net national product at factor cost, and how we can calculate? By net domestic product at factor cost, that is domestic income plus net factor income from abroad. Already we have calculate NDP at factor cost, we will use this term 65,850 plus net factor income from abroad, and net factor income from abroad we can get factor income from abroad to abroad, that is 800 minus 300, it is written here, and you will get the answer 66,350. Now seventh question is calculate indirect tax from the following. Now these all things are given, but you need to calculate only net indirect tax, not domestic income, not national income, and not anything, but you need to calculate only indirect tax. Now how you can do is, wherever indirect tax come, that particular formula you will apply, that is GNP at market price is equal to NDP at, and see what is given here. Given here is NDP at factor cost, subsidies, factor income from abroad, depreciation, factor income to abroad, and GNP at market price. So you need to see the formula in which all these things cover, and with which you can calculate the question, that is indirect tax. Now GNP at market price is equal to NDP at factor cost plus depreciation plus net factor income from abroad plus net indirect tax, and after applying all this you will get the answer of indirect tax. See, indirect tax we have written already as it is in the formula, because we know that it is not given here. So indirect tax, and we can get the answer, that is 2,590. Next question is, now calculate factor income to abroad. Somewhere some questions you will get, just like we have completed the 7th question where they have asked for indirect tax. In case you can be asked as subsidies, to calculate subsidies, so you need to see the formulas in which subsidies comes, or in which indirect tax comes, or in which factor income to abroad comes, and probably you need to see whatever is given here. So provided is GNP at factor cost, subsidies, factor income from abroad, depreciation, indirect tax, and net domestic product at market price. Now after applying this formula, that is GNP at factor cost, NDP at market price plus depreciation plus net factor income from abroad minus net indirect tax. Now what we need to calculate is factor income to abroad, which we will get from here. Okay. So factor income from abroad is given, but factor income to abroad is not given. And how we are going to calculate net factor income from abroad? That is income from abroad and minus income to abroad. But what is given is income from abroad, to abroad, which we need to calculate. So whatever is given, we will apply the formula as it is. That is factor income from abroad 400 minus factor income to abroad. The number is not given. We need to calculate this only. So we will carry it again, and this is how we will get the answer, that is factor income to abroad as 280. Calculate subsidies. Just like I said, you will be told to calculate subsidies, depreciation, and other such things. Now here when you are told to calculate subsidies, these are things which are given, that is GDP at factor cost, indirect tax, factor income to abroad, net national product at market price, factor income from abroad, and depreciation. So when you use this particular formula, GDP at factor cost, which is already given, okay, you can see that here subsidies comes, like net national product at market price plus depreciation minus net factor income from abroad and minus net indirect tax. In net indirect tax, when you deduct indirect tax minus subsidies, you will get net indirect tax. This is the formula. Okay. Now here we need to find out the subsidies only. In this particular thing, net indirect tax is given here already. This is 4,400. We will apply here, but subsidies which is not given here. So we need to calculate this only. So after applying this formula, we will get 2,100 as subsidies. Now 10th question, here you need to calculate depreciation. Okay, only depreciation. Again everything is given here, NDP at market price, indirect tax, GNP at factor cost, factor income to abroad, from abroad, and subsidies. Now here you need to calculate depreciation. So same thing will come again, that we have this GNP at factor cost. Okay, this is 75,920 is equal to NDP at market price plus depreciation plus net factor income from abroad minus net indirect tax. Only thing is we need to calculate this depreciation. We will carry it as it is because number is not given. We are finding this only. Other all amount whichever is given of these formula, we will apply that and we will get the answer as 4,950 as depreciation. So dear student, this is all about numericals. These numericals can come in your final exam. So go through all the formulas, the first chart which I have provided you. Learn those formulas, how to calculate to domestic income, how to calculate national income, subsidies, consumption of fixed capital, that can be called as depreciation, indirect tax, sometimes you can be asked as factor income from abroad, you need to calculate. So to abroad if it is given, then you can calculate that also. So I have shown each and every example so that it will be very easy for you to find out or to go through or to solve these numericals. Other such questions which are given in your reference books, try to solve those questions, and if you have any doubt you can ask me. Okay, till then, thank you, goodbye.